So from the following information is available in the respect of G Limited and D Limited. So we have a two company over here. One is G Limited and another one is a D Limited. And they have given us the certain information regarding the sales, variable cost and the profit of both the companies. ठीक है, दोनों companies का दिया है. Let's see what they have asked us to calculate. They have asked us to calculate the PB ratio of both the companies. दोनों कंपनी का, जी लिमिटेड का एज वेल एज डी लिमिटेड का, यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द पीवी रेशियो, दैट इज प्रॉफिट वॉल्यूम रेशियो. सेकेंड वन, दे आर आस्किंग अस टू फाइंड आउट द फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट ऑफ बोथ द कंपनीज. दोनों कंपनी के लिए फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट फाइंड करना है. कैन वी फाइंड आउट फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट? यस क्लास, वी कैन फाइंड इट आउट फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट. देखो, सेल्स माइनस वेरिएबल कॉस्ट अगर हम करेंगे तो वी विल बी गेटिंग अ कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन. फ्रॉम कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन है हमारे पास और हमारे पास प्रॉफिट भी है. तो बैलेंसिंग फिगर वी कैन फाइंड इट आउट लाइक फिक्स रेशियो, सॉरी फिक्स कॉस्ट. ठीक है. थर्ड वन, दे हैव आस्क्ड अस टू फाइंड आउट द ब्रेक इवन पॉइंट ऑफ बोथ द कंपनीज. फाइन. तो पहले ना हम ये तीन देखते हैं, देन वी विल मूव टू अ फोर्थ वन एंड द फिफ्थ वन. सो लेट्स राइट इट डाउन. देखो, सबसे पहले तो हम परफॉर्मा ही करते हैं. ठीक है. सो लेट्स राइट डाउन फर्स्ट वन, सेल्स minus variable cost will give you the contribution, minus fixed cost will give me the profit. Here we will be writing down G Limited and here we will be writing down D Limited. What is the sales given over here? It is 11 lakh. For D Limited, it is 14 lakh. Variable cost given is 8 lakh 80,000. And for the D Limited, it is 10 lakh 50,000. So what will be the contribution now? 2 lakh 20,000. यहाँ पर contribution will be how much? 3,50,000. They have also given us the profit. Profit is 1,20,000. Here we have a profit of 2 lakh. So we can get the balancing figure of the fixed cost. This minus this. So 1 lakh rupees is a fixed cost for the G Limited, and for the D Limited, $1,50,000 is the fixed cost. Now this is the one way to calculate, हाँ class. This is the one way. हम दूसरा formula way से भी हम calculate कर सकते हैं. As I told you, in this chapter we can find out the answers from the multiple ways. So this is a one way to find out the fixed cost. ठीक है. By making a pro forma you can find it out the fixed cost. चलो. Firstly, let's see what they have asked us. They have asked us to find out the PV ratio. So let's find out the PV ratio first. What is the formula for finding out the PV ratio? Contribution divided by sales into 100. Or you can use the formula sales minus variable cost divided by sales into 100. Either of the formula you can apply it off. अब हमारे पास देखो यहाँ पर contribution already ready है. कितना है? 2,20,000. अगर ऐसे नहीं जाना तो we can even write it down from here. 11 lakh minus 8 lakh 80. ठीक है. So we have a contribution 2,20,000 divided by sale. How much sale we have? 11 lakh into 100. So this will give me how much? 20%. So we have find it out for the D limited. I forgot it to write down over here. This is for G limited. So we have find it out the first for the G limited. Same way find it out for the D limited. Contribution for the D is 3,50,000 divided by sale. Sale कितना है यहाँ पर? 14 lakh. Multiplied by 100. So this gives me how much? This gives me 25%. So we got a PV ratio for the G as well as we got a PV ratio for the D limited. For G it was 20% and for the D it was how much? 25%. Now second one. Second one, they have asked us to find out the fixed ratio. Fixed cost for both the companies. So यहाँ से भी तो आ गया डायरेक्टली परफॉर्मा के थ्रू भी हमें मिल गया. एंड व्हाट इज द अनदर थिंग विच यू कैन डू? कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन माइनस प्रॉफिट. Contribution minus profit. Let's do for the G as well as D limited. What is the contribution for the G limited? 2,20,000 minus the profit which is given is 1,20,000. So this will be equals to 1 lakh. Same way calculate it for the D and write it down over here, rupees 1 lakh. Same way let's calculate for the D. Contribution for the D is 3,50,000 minus profit which is given is 2 lakh. This is equals to rupees 1 lakh. So done. So we have find it out first the profit volume ratio. Then second one which we find it out is fixed cost. Now let's move to the third one. Third one, they are asking us to find out the break even point. So let's write down over here. Break even point. What is the formula for break even point? Fixed cost divided by PV ratio. Fixed cost divided by PV ratio. We have to find it out for both the company. Now what is the fixed cost for the company G? Company G ka fixed cost is 1 lakh rupees. So here I will be writing down 1 lakh. What is the profit volume ratio for the G? First step dekho 20%. So this will be equals to how much? 1 lakh ka 20% comes to 5 lakh. Now for the D limited. D limited fixed cost is 1,50,000 divided by profit volume ratio is 25%. So this will be giving me the profit of 14,40,000. Sorry, this will be 6 lakh rupees. Now next one, what they are asking us to find out? They are asking us to find out the sales to earn a profit of 2,10,000 by ईच कंपनी, दोनों कंपनी का फाइंड आउट करना है. तो वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द रिक्वायर्ड सेल. सो रिक्वायर्ड सेल इक्वल टू, formula is fixed cost plus desired profit divided by PV ratio. You have to find this for both the companies, for the company G as well as for the company D. What is the fixed cost for G? 1 lakh rupees. What is the desired profit? They have given in the question. See, 2,10,000. 2,10,000 is the desired profit which they want from this. Divided by PV ratio. PV ratio is 20%. So this will be equal to rupees 15,50,000. They have already given us the desired profit. Same way, find it out for the D. 1,50,000 is the fixed cost. Plus desired profit is 2,10,000 for both the companies. Divided by PV ratio, that is 25%. This will be equal to rupees 14,40,000. And the last one, what they are asking us to find out, margin of safety. And as I told you, for finding out margin of safety, we require a BEP. Do we have a BEP? Yes, we have a BEP. हमारे पास BEP है. So we have to just apply the formula. Margin of safety, MOS, is equal to, the formula is actual sales minus break even sale. Let's find out for the G and D Limited. Actual sales for the G Limited is how much? 11 lakh. Now see one more thing class. They have asked us only for D Limited. तो हम G Limited का find नहीं करेंगे. We won't be finding out for the G Limited. क्योंकि इन लोग ने सिर्फ हमें D के लिए ही पूछा है. तो we will be finding out only for the D. Now for the D it is 14 lakh minus the break even sale which we got is 6 lakh for the D Limited, which will be equal to rupees 8 lakh. Now they have not asked, but हम हमारे लिए कैलकुलेशन के लिए भी कर सकते हैं. So हम अलग से इसका कैलकुलेट करते हैं फिर G Limited का. G Limited का it was 11 lakh माइनस BEP कितना था 5 lakh equals to